Hey there, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you the ways on how can you fix Xbox controller won't turn on. If your Xbox Series X controller won't turn on, you could try following these steps. So first of all, what you could do is you could go with the basic steps, that is power cycle the controller. Press and hold the Xbox button on the controller for about 5 to 10 seconds until it turns off. You could also wait for a few seconds and then press and hold the Xbox button again to turn the controller back on. The next thing you could also do is check batteries if you're using a rechargeable controller. Make sure they're fully charged. And if you're using a regular batteries, try replacing them with a fresh one. Even if you think they're still good, ensure that the batteries are inserted correctly with the positive and the negative terminals facing the correct way as well. If that is not working out, you could also connect USB cable. If the controller still doesn't turn on, try connecting it to console with a USB cable. Plug the one end of the cable into a controller and the other one into the Xbox Series X. This bypasses the wireless connections and can power the controller if the wireless part is faulty. If not, you would also restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can help fix minor bugs. If not, you could check for hardware issues or contact the support. Will be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.